Hi everyone, welcome back to Burkeshire Farm. My name is Frank. Thank you for clicking on our channel. I'm back out here again today to try to get this well completely hooked up. All I've got left is I've got to go from the jet pump right here, tie into the new line that I brought in. I got to put the shutoff valve, 2 hose bibs here, and the hose bib over by the house on. Get this whole system pressurized, and then hopefully by the end of this video we'll also have that travel trailer hooked up so that we have continuous running water and we don't have to rely on the pump or any of that. This is a threaded coupling. My 1-inch PVC comes in this side, it glues in this side, and I took Teflon tape and put it on the threads on this other side. This here is called purple primer. It's a purple PVC primer. If you're going to do any gluing PVC, you need to have it primered first. And this is going to be the end that's going to screw into our pressure tank, right here. A lot of people will just put this primer on real quick and then automatically just go right to gluing. I prefer to let it dry. While all this is apart, I've opted to come in here. I'm going to put me a T right in here, right about here, to where I can run another line. From this side of the jet pump, I can run a line out and over into this trench. What I'd like to do is put a hose bib right here at the well, and then eventually we'll go ahead and run PVC on out, down, and around all the way over to the other side. Sorry about that, guys. My camera got hot and shut off on me. I didn't realize it. I got my tank all glued in to my T here. You can see I got my hose bib on. I like this hose bib here because it allows me to put that short hose on here, and I can come right on over and go right into the tap of this wellhead. You know, if I'm going to circulate something through there or whatnot, it just makes it really convenient. Now all I got to do is come from here, tie into my elbow here, put my hose bib on over there by the house, and we should be good to go, except for I still got to go from here on around over to there where I want to put another hose bib on that side of this. When we build the shed here, I want to put a hose bib in there. So I've got the shutoff to put in here, my shutoff valve to put in here, tie into this elbow. We should be good to go here. And unfortunately, I need to go to Home Depot. I need one more of these. I thought I had an extra one, but I don't. So I got to go get one more of those. But there's no doubt in my mind, I'm going to get this thing finished up today. I got lucky. They had a 1-inch schedule 80 shut off that I can put right over here. So we'll get this thing pressured up today. Well, that just about wraps it up for today. Thank you again for clicking on our channel. We hope you come back again. And please hit that like button, subscribe. Until next time, God bless.